Our World Egg Day dish is lemon meringue crepes, which features eggs within the lemon curd and also the crepe batter. The story behind the dish and how it came about, and actually our whole business, is from Miss Claude herself. The family came from France. It's an original French recipe as her favourite dish, and we still cook it with pride today. This recipe tastes absolutely amazing and is Miss Claude's very favourite dessert. The hero of this dish is definitely the egg. We use it in both parts, in the crepe batter and also the lemon curd. At Miss Claude's, we love to cook with eggs. They're the ultimate in versatility. They cover breakfast, lunch, and obviously dessert. So without the egg, we probably wouldn't have a business. We love cooking with eggs, we love eating eggs, and we want to thank everybody for watching this.